Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be working on a card. My aunt had to put her dog down last week, so I wanted to make her a card. I would have made it sooner, but I was waiting for the die, and now I lost it. Where is it? Oh, I bought a die, so I was waiting for the die to come, and so now we're getting started on making the card. I had forgotten to grab a pen for the Cricut Joy. So as you can see, I have my Cricut ready to go. And now it's just gotta, let's see, sometimes I swear my Cricut just does not want to connect. It doesn't matter, just neither one of my Cricuts want to connect. And it's ever since I got this new computer. My old computer would connect no problem, and I should have connected it before I started the video. So we're just gonna sit here. Let me pause until I get this connected. Okay, it connected. I usually have to turn Bluetooth off, unplug my machine, and plug it back in. It's such a pain. All right. And go. Anybody else think watching a Cricut write is so soothing? Okay. So while that's doing that, I'm just going to fold my card base. I'm not going to get out my scoreboard. I really want to get a smaller scoreboard, because there's so many times I would like to score something and I just don't feel like pulling out the big scoreboard. So we have that. I'm going to need this piece to die cut, and I'm going to need a piece, which I'll just use this other piece here. I'm going to ink blend a rainbow underneath where the die cuts goes, but I don't know where that's going to go yet, because I don't know until this is done. But I can get the ink. Okay. So, red, yellow, orange, green, blue, and violet, because I don't got indigo. So there we go. Oh, and I can put this one away. This one's been sitting here, ready to put away for a while. Okay, that is done. Let's unload the mat, and then I can put this away. Okay, I'm going to pause and put this away. Okay, so we're going to take our die. I haven't even opened it yet. They did send me the wrong one, though, so I had to send one back. And I'm just going to, I think that looks like a good spot. We're going to live recklessly and not tape it down. It's fine. We're going to be reckless. Now, you won't be seeing this video for a long while, because I already have my April videos planned out, and it is March. So this just happened in March. You won't be seeing this video until probably May, and I'm hoping by then my aunt does watch my videos, that she'll be okay to see it being made. Okay. how good that looks. It looks so good. So then we're going to ink. So I need to start over here and end up over there. Okay, and I need my glass mat. Okay, so starting with red, we're just going to drag. And just drag in here. It looks like crayon. All right. Some of these are no longer juicy. Let's make sure before I put this away. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Okay, so let's put this away and we can finish out this card. This is actually going to be a very quick video. Alright, I'm going to glue this down, and then I think I'm going to pop that up. Give it a little dimension. But we're going to glue this straight down. It's standard A2 size card, and I'm doing a full size card mat, which I don't usually do. Okay. I'm gonna trim some of that away, which is user error, which is me. Okay, there we go. That had to just be trimmed a little bit. All right, and then I'm just going to get okay. And then this way. So I didn't leave the house. Sounds so bad. I didn't leave the house last week. This is not true. I did go to lunch with my neighbor last week. But I didn't leave the house because you already know this by this point. Our new shower was installed. Like I said, this is March something or other. What the hell is it? What is the date today? The 24th. Today is March 24th. So last week we got our shower put in, and somebody had to be here at all times. So I made sure I was here at all times because my dad can't always handle, like, nothing against my dad. My dad is a very smart person, but he's also getting older and older every day. He gets older and older every day, and things are a little bit harder for him, and I didn't want him to have to deal with anything, so the guy mostly came to me for all of the questions and everything. I was in charge, so I stayed. I didn't leave the house last week. So this week, I actually have a busy week. This week, I have to go to the DMV because I need a new photo because went fast. It's due at the end of the month. So I have to go on Wednesday to the DMV. And tomorrow, they're coming to give us a quote on installing a new vanity in the bathroom, because our vanity is original to the house. I think the only thing that my parents ever changed was they bought a new top, but the bottom of the vanity is the same as it's been since the house was built, and it's broken, so we need a new vanity. Here you go. And we're getting new flooring put in. So somebody's coming to give us a quote. How does that look? It looks so good. So I'll just write a personal message inside and get this mailed out to my aunt. There's nothing worse than losing an animal. It really is. There's nothing worse. So there we go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, for the sentiment, I looked up a bunch of sentiments, and this seemed to be like a really popular one for an animal sympathy card. I bought the die on Amazon. It was $3.99. And then the font I used was a free Cricut writing font, because I don't have any writing fonts downloaded to my computer, and I don't have Cricut Access. What is it called? I don't have it. I think it's a waste of my money. I don't use my Cricut enough to use it. So you can always find free fonts under the Cricut. There's a little, if you don't know how, there's a little slider bar above the list of names of Cricuts, two little lines with little dashes coming down, and if you click on that, you can hit free and whatever kind of font you want, and then it'll give you a list of whatever's free that you don't have to pay for that day. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.